In the scorched heart of California lies Racetrack Playa, a vast dry lakebed where heavy stones move across the cracked earth without any visible human intervention. Long trails etch the ground behind them, twisting and turning for hundreds of feet, proving these silent rocks travel great distances when nobody is actually watching. Some of these wandering boulders weigh nearly 700 pounds, yet they glide across the flat surface as if pushed by invisible, silent, and phantom hands. Curious visitors arrive to find the tracks but never see movement, leading to wild speculation about magnetic fields, pranksters, or even interference from extraterrestrial visitors. The silence of the desert amplifies the mystery, as the stones seem to wait for the cover of darkness to begin their strange, slow journey. For decades, scientists and geologists were baffled, unable to explain how rock and stone could animate themselves and travel across the dry, flat desert floor. In 2011, a dedicated team decided to finally solve the riddle by planting GPS tracking units directly into the hearts of limestone rocks. They also installed time-lapse cameras and a weather station to monitor the wind speed, hoping to catch the elusive phenomenon in the act of moving. It was a test of patience, as the researchers waited for years without seeing a single rock move an inch from its original starting position. They needed a perfect storm of conditions, a rare combination of rain, wind, and ice that might only happen once in a very long decade. Finally, on a cold winter day, the dry lakebed flooded with a shallow layer of water, turning the dusty ground into a temporary, glass-like mirror. As night fell over the valley, temperatures plummeted below freezing, forming thin sheets of window pane ice that floated delicately on the surface of the water. The morning sun began to break the ice into large floating panels, while a light breeze started to push these sheets across the shallow pool. The floating ice sheets, driven by the wind, piled up against the rocks and shoved them forward with immense force, dragging them across the mud. The cameras captured the impossible sight as the heavy boulders slid slowly across the wet clay, leaving behind the deep grooves that would soon harden. The mystery was solved not by ghosts or aliens, but by a rare and delicate dance between the wind, the water, and the morning ice. Yet, standing on the dry playa today, the scientific explanation does little to dampen the eerie feeling of seeing a rock that has clearly walked. The tracks remain visible for years, a testament to the brief moments when the desert comes alive and the earth itself seems to shift positions. Most visitors will never see the movement, only the aftermath of the event, leaving the sensation that the stones freeze when humans come near them. It serves as a reminder that nature is capable of strange mechanics, creating puzzles that can stump humanity for generations, before revealing the simple truth. The Racetrack Playa remains a place of silent wonder, where stones travel alone in the dark, guided by the cold touch of the winter wind.